My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. So today I am going to be sharing some footage of my eyebrow tinting updates. So I think I filmed up to like day 14 of my eyebrow tinting just so you could see about when it started to fade on my eyebrows, so that if you wanted to try it, then you would know about how long it would last. So if you want to see how long the eyebrow tinting lasted on me, then you know what to do. Just sit tight and I'll be right back. Okay, so here they are close up. Oh my word. See, other than that little spot right there, look at how good that looks. I mean, compared to how they were, my goodness, this is awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture for the thumbnail. Yay! Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna zoom back out. Okay guys, so I zoomed out and yay, I'm so happy. So you know what, I am so happy that I went and got the other color because I really like this product. I like the fact that you just mix it with water, there's no harsh chemicals, no harsh fumes, nothing toxic near your eyes or that's burning your eyes because of the fumes. I just really love that it is just mixed with water. It's a powder. And I am going to come back and let you know how long it lasted. I'll make a separate video. You have no idea how excited I am because I always thought if I only had eyebrows, I could probably go without wearing makeup, because I just think that girls who have thick eyebrows just look like they're kind of done already. They have a frame to their face, where me, I look like an alien without brows. So I've just always, if I could run out, and I think I said this on my very first video, if you go down to my very first page of this channel, you'll hear me say that if you were to be stranded on an island, what would you take with you and makeup wise? And I said, most people say mascara or lip gloss. I said my flawless brow trio, because without brows I look like an alien, with brows I look like a human. So this is, to me, one of the things that I think finishes a face, or even you don't even need to put makeup on with brows on, because it kind of gives you structure to your face. It frames your face. So I'm so happy now that I got my lashes, now that I got my brows. That's all I need. I'm still gonna wear makeup because I love to play with makeup, but I'm not gonna feel so self-conscious in the mornings when I wake up.
Morning, Glama here. So this is the next day, and I just got up and went and used the restroom, and on my way back from the restroom I glanced in the mirror as I was walking by, and I thought, oh my goodness, I forgot I've got eyebrows first thing in the morning. So I came and threw myself in bed so I could let myself wake up a little bit, but I just wanted to show you that it's so nice to wake up with eyebrows first thing in the morning. It's awesome. That, along with my eyelashes, I feel like I'm already presentable. All I would have to do is brush my teeth. And I feel like I'm at least decent looking.
Hey guys, so this is day 3 of my eyebrow tinting. I just wanted to kind of keep a little journal, vlog journal of when it starts to fade. It is a little bit more faded than day 1, so this is what day 3 looks like. I will come back maybe tomorrow or maybe the next day and let you know what day that is. And when it's almost non-existent, I will let you know, or you will see it. Alright guys, so I will be back either tomorrow or the next day. Alrighty. Okay guys, so this is day 4 of my eyebrows being tinted, and I did all my makeup. I just haven't done my brows. So this is what they would look like if I just ran out the door without doing them. I will zoom in here in a minute and I'll let you see them. Okay, so here they are up close, and so I do feel like I need to touch them up a little bit, but if I had to run out the door, I wouldn't feel too uncomfortable with them like this, even though there are sparse areas. But I am going to fill them in just to see how much work it takes to fill them in. See, it doesn't take much. Already I feel like that's decent. Yeah, so that's pretty much all I would do right there, just 2 or 3 little swipes. Yeah, see, pretty much that's it. I think we are done, and well, I'm gonna go take my daughter to the grocery store, and we're gonna take Petrova to the park, her first time at the park. So, all right, I'm gonna zoom back out so you can see what they look like since I touched them up a little bit. But like I said, this is day 4, not bad, of waking up with eyebrows. Okay, so as you saw, they were a bit sparse, but it didn't take hardly any touching up to get them decent. But like I said, I would probably go out the way they were without even touching them up. But since I have a full face of makeup on, I think it looks better with touching them up a little bit. But I'm still very happy that I tinted my brows. And if I have to do this maybe once a week, just touch up the sparse areas, then no problem. I think this is a great alternative to microblading or tattooing your eyebrows or anything like that, and it's way more cost effective. So I will see you probably tomorrow or the next day. I'm gonna probably do this until they completely fade away. Well, not completely, but until they look very, very bad. All right, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, still doing pretty good. I see some sparse areas, but still, at least you can see them still, so I'm happy about that. So I say I'm still happy with the whole eyebrow tinting thing because I feel like I could still walk out the door and feel like I don't look like an alien. Okay, I'll be back in a couple days, or maybe tomorrow. Okay, so they are fading a little bit, but still, like I said yesterday and probably the day before, I would still feel comfortable being around people. I still feel like there's still a little bit of a frame to my face. So I will keep updating you until my eyebrows don't exist. Alright, so I will see you either tomorrow or in the next couple days. Hey guys, I hope I'm focused. This is day 7 of my eyebrow tinting. And yes, I see sparse areas like I keep saying, but I still see eyebrows. So that is a plus. So okay, this is day 7. I'm going to take a quick pic and then I will see you maybe in a couple days. I don't know. Since this is 1 whole week's worth of everyday footage of the eyebrows, I might just do it every couple days now and let you see what's going on with them. Okay. Okay, so now that I have the Fade Bright on, I'm going to let that soak in, and then I'm going to go in with a moisturizer. Boy, it's about time to do my eyebrows. I've been doing updates on my eyebrow tinting, and this is about day 10, so I think I'm ready to tint them again. So yeah, it lasts a good 10 days, which is not bad. You don't have to do your eyebrows every day. Okay everyone, so today is day 12 of my eyebrow tinting, and so I think this is about as far as I'm going to let it fade, and I'm probably going to tint them again this weekend. Today is Friday. I'll tint them again sometime this weekend. Alright, so I just wanted to give y'all this update. Hey guys, so this is day 14 of the eyebrow tinting update video, and I think this is pretty much it because it doesn't look like I have eyebrows anymore. Yesterday it still kind of looked like I had them, day 13, but day 14, this is it. So 2 weeks I would say, but actually to be completely honest, I would probably say 12 days. A good 10 to 12 days is what the eyebrow tinting lasts, because by now I feel like I already don't have eyebrows. So yeah, I'd say you're good for a good 10 to 12 days. Okay, so I am going to go and get my eyelash extensions today, but I'll be back in a minute to say my goodbyes to you. Okay everyone, so those are the updates, and if you've ever tried Bigen, hair dye, then let me know down in the comments below. And if you've tried it on your eyebrows, I really want to hear from you to see how long it lasted on you. So like I said, a good 10 to 12 days is, I would say it's safe to say that you could go without drawing in your eyebrows or filling in your eyebrows. By day 14, it was pretty much gone already. So yeah, so I hope you found this informative. In case you want to try it, you'll know about how long it lasts. I think it's worth it because it still beats having to do your eyebrows every single day, right? So even if it just lasted 10, 12 days, then hey, that's 10, 12 days of not having to really fill in your eyebrows. Alrighty guys, I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye. And yeah, let me know down in the comments below what you think of it and if you've tried it before. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye! Besitos!
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.